It's good, man. It's a wow razor. I'm just telling you now. First time video today. We have a BlackLand single edge stainless steel razor. A real popular one, and I'm going to give it a shot. I tried shaving with this one earlier in the week and I loved it. A lot of safety razors that people send me don't make the channel just because I don't care for them, but this one did. So I'm going to shave with this and give you what I liked and didn't like about this razor. Ariana and Evans, one of my favorite products, and I'm going to be using, a adjustable shaving brush by Timeless Razors. And I just, this is a synthetic brush. People ask that. I only use synthetic brushes. I've tried boar and badger brushes. I didn't care for them so much. They're harder to use and they're so expensive. And I think people that still like them, it's because they have invested so much money in them. I mean, that's just my personal opinion on it, because for what you can get these synthetic shaving knots for is just unreal. It'll blow your mind away how cheap they are. Like the most expensive one I've seen is like $40. So then you buy an adjustable handle, but they all range around like $20. This to me is the number one brush or handle in the world. All right. In next week's adventure, I'm selling Betsy, my F-150 King Ranch. I've had her now for 7 years and she's got 67,000 miles on her. I don't drive that many miles. So I've been in the market for a new truck, and I think I'm going to go with an EV. I've drove the Ford Lightning. I've drove the EV Sierra, and I like them both, and I'm taking the Cybertruck out next week to see if I like it for a day. Comment down below which one you have, or which one you recommend and why, because I'm in the market. Probably going to buy one in the next 30 days for sure. This is a 3-piece razor. Now, the only downfall to this razor to me is it takes these injector razor blades. Now they're bigger, thicker. I actually have the Pro Guard in there by Feather. If you didn't know, Feather makes all different types of injector blades. I think these are sharper. I'm not 100% sure on that, but they make like 4 or 5 different ones. Do your research and you can see which one you like. But I did shave with this one. I still have it in there, so I have one shave on this. What I can say, if you want to compare it to like a safety razor to see actually how wide it is, you can see how much wider it really is. You know what I'm saying? It's freaking wide, brother. Like, you get a lot more there. Breaking this down, now I can say it's a 3-piece razor, but when I loaded it the first time, I had a hell of a time. I fumbled around with it, and then I finally got it. This thing locks in good. Like, getting this thing apart, probably should lay it down flat. Yeah, okay. So you can see the base plate here. It has 3 different, whoops, will it get it? Yeah, it has 3 different ways it locks in on the bottom. And then on the top here, it locks in with 2 round pegs, right? And then with the square peg here, which I thought was a little different. So I'm just going to set that down. See if I can't get this time. Like I said, I think it should be marked a little bit better, because like again, I put it on backwards again. I just don't like, I think they could have done a better job there. But again, if you use this every day, you're going to have no problem with it. Now the bottom of it, it's not round. It's like a rectangle. So my first time screwing this in, it was kind of weird, but then I got it. Like, again, these are just little things that I noticed with this safety razor. Now, the blade alignment on this is great, and I believe this is the satin finish on it. So this one's like over a $200 single edge razor blade that takes proprietary blades, which, as most of you know if you follow my channel, I'm not a big fan of those. I'm just going to touch this up a little bit and show you how well this razor shaves. This razor, it's a winner, brother. It's that good. I have 4 days of growth on this, so quite a bit of growth. And this thing is gonna, just watch. I'll just show you. Crazy good. Feels good. It weighs 77 grams, so there is weight to it. Yeah, brother. I mean, it's good. I got to say, it is good. I like it. Now, it is single edge, so you're going to have to go down, and rinse that off. It's good, man. It's a wow razor. I'm just telling you now. It's so big, though. It's so long. Well, let me finish this. Now, I know some of you are going to say, well, there's the leaf twig. Well, the ingenuity on this is way better than the leaf twig. But again, you could buy a lot of leaf twigs for the price of this, There's precision, man. I mean, it's good. And I think because it's so wide, I think it's easier to shave with. Honestly, I really do. Like getting underneath your nose here, it's not gonna, like, here's a Henson, like, you know what I mean? The thin profile of it, it's just easy to detail with, but so is the twig. But it's, made in America. Come on. All right. Now, this is one area that I don't really like it because I always use the width of the safety razor, right? And carve in a perfect line down here. Now, this one's a little bit wider and still okay. I just like the width of a normal double-edged razor blade, just for that particular area on my face. And I have a goatee pretty much all year round. Sometimes I'll leave like some peach fuzz down here, but generally I have some sort of facial hair. I'm bald. Come on, America. All right, that's good. Now let's rinse this off. That razor is surprisingly good. I mean, with the price point on it, I knew it was going to be at least decent. You can't charge $200+ for something that's junk, because people won't buy it and you're going to go out of business. So I don't have a ton of shaves with this, but again, I think I might reach out to them and, send me some other stuff, because I'm impressed with this one. No, I'm not going to do that. It got that tight enough. I can't spend a lot of time on my lower lip because that's one of the areas I'll break out. Now, I can go against the grain on my neck, and that's what we're going to do on this pass. But look how easy and how nice that soap lathers back up. Some people go buck wild on their second pass. I don't. I'm just going to fly through it and really show you what this razor can do. Something else, isn't it? Amazing. This side. Yeah. Awesome. All right, we're going to switch to cold water now and rinse this off my face and go through my post-shave routine, and I'll give you my final thoughts on this razor. A lot of people that watch my channel are newer, and I always go over, like my post-shave routine, even pre-shave. Like, I always take a shower. I shouldn't say always. I try to take a shower every time before I shave. Now, if I have surgery or something, I'm just using Parasso's, what do you call it? Alum block here. So a lot of people are new, so I like telling people exactly what I do pre-shave and post-shave. So pre-shave, I take a shower. If I can't take a shower, like if I'm having surgery or something, I definitely use the shaving brush, right? Clean my face with it or my head if I'm shaving, and then I go ahead and go in for my shave. Now, I can say when I head shave, I do not take a shower first. I just lather up one time with the shaving brush, right, and then rinse it off with warm water. Go ahead and reapply it, and then I shave my head. I should probably do a video on that as well, and I have in the past. All right, so the alum block, what it's going to do is it's going to take out the redness in your face. If you have acne, any sort of skin irritation, this is going to help. Now, I recommend that you rub it around your face for like 30 seconds, and then I rinse it off. If I don't rinse it off, it leaves like a chalky residue. And these are like 10 bucks on Amazon. I'll leave all these links below, and that one's by Parasso. So you're going to want to rinse that off with some cold water. Now, you don't have to go buck wild with it. That's all you do, okay? And then pat your face dry. Then the next step is Thayers. This is the #1 rated product by dermatologists around the world. You can get this in drugstores sometimes. Here, where I live in Canton, Ohio, I can't find it in a drugstore. So I just buy it from Amazon. I mean, I'm going to get it in a couple days anyways. And what the Thayers does is it takes out the inflammation on your face, and it helps repair your skin, because using any type of razor on your face, you're actually removing skin. So you've damaged your face and you want to repair it. So these things are what's going to help. And I never used these type of things before I started using a safety razor. I like Nivea. It's light if you wear cologne. It hangs around for about 20 minutes and it dissipates. I'm going to have to get some more of this. That one's almost out. But I got 3 bottles for 12 bucks like 3 years ago. Now, when you put that right on top of the Thayers, right? The Thayers goes on super wet, and now it helps break it down so it'll get into all of your, so it'll soak into your skin. So 20, 30 minutes, you're going to feel your face and you're like, oh my gosh, it is squeaky clean, and it will be. What do I think about this BlackLand razor? I think it's actually worth the price. I do. It's engineered and designed very well. The shave with it is outstanding. Again, I have 2 shaves on this blade, and I liked it. 77 grams. It's got weight, brother. So, and you can see my last pass, it removed so much. On my second pass, it was just like a straight run. I didn't have to chop wood with it, and that's what I like. Well, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next Sunday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about BlackLand razors. See ya. Come on, America. But I just want you to see it. Now I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 4 days. No, I have 5 days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.